Greetings everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn to remove white background from an image using Photoshop. We will also work with images having different backgrounds and remove it using Photoshop and online. So let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
For this tutorial, I have the sample images over here. So here are the images with different backgrounds, white and others. And I will be using this Photoshop version, which is Photoshop CC 2017. Anyway, to get started, let me open the image on Photoshop, click on File, Open, and select the image you want. Let's do with this one first. Click on it and open it. Once the image is here, you can see it has a lock icon next to it. Double click on this image. You can give any name. I'll say background and OK. I'll briefly explain two methods of removing the background. Use any method that's applicable to you. The first method is using the eraser tool. So here is the eraser. Click on it. The eraser size is small. To change its size, you can click here and increase or decrease the size as required. You can also control the hardness as you prefer. Once you find the right size, simply click on the image and move around. It will remove the background. Click and remove. You can also control the size via keyboard. Use this bracket to decrease the size and this bracket to increase the size. Simply adjust the size using the keyboard using the brackets. And if you make any mistake deleting anything, simply click on Ctrl+Z. So clean the background using an eraser. Please note, Ctrl+Z will reverse the whole action, so it's advisable to clean it in a small portion. Click on the mouse, clean, leave, and click again to clean. Let me just quickly try to clean it, but of course, you'll do it more carefully. For the closer ends, please zoom in and choose the eraser tool. Adjust the size of the tool and then clean it carefully. And zoom out. After removing it, simply go to File, Save As, and choose as PNG and save it. This method might be very time consuming, so you can also choose to use another method instead. Let me close this image and again open this image. You can as well drag. Double click on the image, give a name. OK. Now choose this magic wand. For simple images, this magic wand does a great job. Click on the image, everything is highlighted, and then click on delete on the keyboard. So the background has been removed. To remove image highlights, click outside the image. It should be gone. So all the white portion has been gone. If you want to remove this white, click on the white portion and press delete. Let me undo it. Ctrl+Z. Suppose if there are many white portions and you'd want to remove all of them in one go rather individually, then click on the white background. After highlight, right click on it and select similar. And then it will select all the white elements inside the image. And then click delete and click outside. Then File, Save As, give a name and save as PNG. So now we have a clean PNG with no background. It's the transparent background, so it's adapting white. To make it clear, let me open this on Photoshop again. I'll close the earlier one. Now to change the background, click on this layer and make sure it's down. And choose a color you want, any color. OK, and click here and then click here. So we have changed the background. So if we click on this eye, the image is gone. So the background color is changed. And save it in the format you'd want. Let me close this. Let's try with other images too. Drag the image. Double click the image. OK. Click on the magic wand. Click on the image and delete. If you are not satisfied, then zoom the image and use the eraser tool. Then to change the background, add a new layer, move it down, choose a color and click on the layer. So should work fine. You can clean further by selecting the image layer, zoom and using the eraser tool. So all the images can be cleaned using the magic wand too. Let me close this. Now for an image with a difficult background, if I click on the magic wand, let me first double click the image and click on the image, it will not clean properly. So you can make a selection and delete what's possible with the magic wand. And then zoom and use the eraser tool to clean it further. So this is how you can do it on Photoshop. But you can also do this all online and remove the background of all the images very easily. I'll delete this clean busy image. Anyway, open your browser and go to remove.bg. So this site will easily remove the background from the images. Upload images, go to sample images, select the image, open. So the background has been removed and download it. So the background has been removed. It has both free and paid versions. The free version will not allow the full-sized images. This site can also remove the images with complicated background. And as long as you don't need the image in high quality, remove.bg can do the job very fast. So it has removed the background. If you want, you can further clean it using Photoshop. For personal websites, this remove.bg's free version should also work right. I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Thank you very much.